I'm the host, Mantavya. So today I'm going to show you my Nerf Delta Trooper that give to my Mossy in USA. I love my Mossy so much. So let's get started today's video. Please like it, subscribe it, and share it. So let's get started today's video. So this is my Delta Trooper. Oh, I'm sorry, you can see it. So can you see this? This is my Delta Trooper. It can shape like this. Yeah, it's tall. Then I love this one because it's so not heavy. Okay. So now the second one is ta-da! This. It shows like this. Yeah, boom, boom, boom. I don't like it also. Okay. So this is the best thing that I love in it. Then can you see this? Bro! Bro! This is pretty fun. Now I'm going to show you how to load it. Okay. So can you see this? This is a trigger. Launch. Okay. So how to launch it? Can you see this? I think I want to zoom it. Can you see that a tube type? Okay, so it connect with this like this. It go back. It also go back. Then we front it. Okay. So then we shoot it like this. It works. Okay. So now here I have two magazines of Delta Trooper. One is the large one of 12 or 13 pieces, and this is the small one of 6 or 7 bullets pieces. Okay. So the second thing that I have is this. Yeah, it's my first Nerf gun that my mostly given in my Christmas. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Indian Santa Claus coming together, rocking all the way. You see that song, okay? So this is my small gun, okay? So this is my the bullet capper. Like this is in a manual type. So this is in a bullet capper. We shoot it like this, then load. And then fire, boom! But I don't want to fire it. Okay, 1 minute. Okay. So can you see this? This is the trigger one. Instead, I load it and boom. Okay, so this is the code. Woo! So all for this. Then in next video, I'm going to show you my Nerf clothes. So please subscribe to this video, like, share, and bell icon. Okay. So bye. Whoops, that's my mistake. Okay.